Sit to stand is a clinical test during which the subject needs to rise from a seated position to a standing one. This is associated with the ability to perform lifestyle tasks such as climbing stairs, getting in and out of a vehicle, or taking a bath. The test is specifically useful for the elderly population or people who are movement impaired. All the parameters are calculated based on the ground reaction force. Enter the Sit to Stand test module from the main window by clicking on the Sit to Stand button. Make sure you have acquired the subject's body weight beforehand. As with the organization of all the MARS test modules, the interface is divided into a left setup panel, a right analysis panel, a bottom measurement panel, and a central signals and results area. Before starting the measurement, appropriate input parameters must be determined in the setup panel. These are lower extremities, where you can choose among bilateral, unilateral with the left leg, or unilateral with the right leg, and upper extremities, where you can choose among hands positioned on the hips, freely positioned, crossed over the chest, or positioned behind the neck. To start with a measurement, click on the New Measurement button. After launching the test module and clicking New Measurement, initialization and offset takes place. During this time, the subject should not be on the force plate. If necessary, the measurement mode can be cancelled by pressing the Cancel button. Before starting with the measurement, the subject must assume an appropriate initial position, that is, sitting on a chair or bench, knees and hips flexed at 90 degrees, and with eyes directed forward. The goal of the task is to produce a vertical sit-up without any additional support. Initiate the measurement by clicking the Start button. The end of the task occurs when the subject stands on a plate with extended knees and hips. The measurement stops automatically after completing the task. It can also be stopped manually by clicking the Stop button in the lower panel. The measurement can be repeated by clicking on New Measurement, thus not saving the previous repetition. If you are satisfied with the measurement, you can save it. The central window displays the COP of the task. The ground reaction force signal measured by the force plate is displayed under the Signals tab. The data from the analysis can be viewed under the Results Table tab. A more thorough description of the parameters can be accessed by right-clicking on the parameter name. Options for displaying specific sets of parameters can be accessed under the Parameters View menu in the right panel. For more information on this topic, please refer to Tutorial 7.